Today we're going to do an unboxing of the PARLOS widespread double handle bathroom faucet with metal pop-up drain. Comes with the connection lines and everything in the box, so let's see what's in here. This right now is going for $58.99 on Amazon. Not sponsored. Bought this for our own kitchen or bathroom vanity that we're putting in. This is what you get in the box. Have our installation instructions. Looks pretty clear. This will be our Y-body assembly for hooking. Since it's a 3-hole system, this will be for hooking the 2 actual faucets to the main assembly, like that. It's pretty awesome. They also send connection lines, brand new. Normally you have to buy those separately. Again, $58, that's pretty amazing. Wow, that's actually, feels like good quality. That's our drain assembly, matte black again. And we have our hot water faucet. Wow, that's really hefty. Impressive. For $58, you would think it would be plastic or something super cheap. There's our cold water. Action feels really good on the faucet. Looks like a little Allen wrench comes with it, as well as the hot and cold water indicators and our middle faucet. Now, since we're in California, this is the 1.2 liter per minute instead of the 1.2 gallon per minute instead of the 1.5. So packaged really well. Not styrofoam. Earth friendly. That's what you get in the box. Hot and cold valve, the faucet assembly, you get a drain, our Y connection, and connection lines.